How to create a high converting sales funnel. What's up guys, Ben Obrick here, back with another video. Today we're going to talk about how to create a high converting sales funnel. And I say this having done millions of dollars with online courses, with digital products, with high ticket products, and selling services at $70,000 a pop to multi-million dollar companies. So creating a high converting sales funnel. The first thing is, what's your traffic source? Okay. A lot of people are selling off of referral, repeat, and organic social media. If you want to create scale, you have to have a traffic source that you can pull from infinitely. That's always going to provide you profitability. And the best way to do that is with some sort of paid digital marketing. That could be paid digital advertising. It could be influencer marketing. It could be you growing a massive YouTube channel that's always growing subscribers, or you retarget ads to those subscribers and watch minutes. Now, traffic source. Once you have that in mind, you have to go and think about things like this. Is it cold? Is it warm? Have these people heard of you before, in other words, or is it completely cold? Because the way that you're going to speak to them, the copywriting that you're going to do, the tonality you're going to have is different from a warm audience compared to a cold audience. So for the purposes of this, let's assume that we're going with the scenario that is going to bring more mass scale over time, and that is serving a cold audience, okay? First thing is we need to know what this audience even wants. How we're gonna do this is by exploring the marketplace. So we're gonna look at what other products or services in my industry are out there in the marketplace already. We're gonna hack those funnels. We're gonna take a log of them and look and see how are they being advertised currently. A good platform that you can use, for example, is you're gonna find competitor products. Could be on Google, could be on Facebook, could be on YouTube. Once you find those, you're gonna use the Facebook ads platform, facebook.com/ads/library. You'll type in the name of that company. That's then going to populate all the ads that they're currently and have in the past been running. It's then going to tell you exactly the type of copy they're using, exactly the type of ad creative they're using, and it'll give you the link to their website that they're promoting on their ads. You'll click on that, you'll be able to see their funnel, see their process. If you see an ad, this is a really good hack, that has been running for several months, several years. They're not doing it because it's losing them money, they're doing it because it's actually working. So hack it, look at their process, take note of it. Look at things like, what's their landing page look like? How is it structured? What's the landing page headline? What are the little incentives for them to opt in, for the prospect to opt in, giving them their name, email, phone number, etc. What does their offer page look like? What offer are they presenting? How are they presenting it? Is it in the form of a video? Is it in the form of just what we call sales copy, just text and buttons and fancy little graphics and stuff like that, getting people to buy? You have to understand that. Now, there's many different types of sales funnels. We have webinar funnels, we have VSL funnels, we have value videos, we have case study funnels, we have training series funnels, we have ebook funnels, and we have one-time offer funnels where we're trying to get people to ascend through a low ticket item, buy a mid ticket, a high ticket. There's upsells and downsells. So you have to take into account, what industry are you in? Is it a product you're selling? Is it a service you're selling? Is it high ticket? What are the price points? One of the things I want you guys to do is in the comments, let me know what product or service you're selling and what the price points are. I will create a deep, in-depth video from a technical level showing all the different types of sales funnels and what's gonna be most applicable for your product or your service. So go ahead and let me know that in the comments right now. The next thing is, when you get people to consume an ad, go through your landing page and opt in for your product or service, you now need to be able to sell them. This is going to come in the form of what we call a VSL, a video sales letter, or it's going to come in the form of copy, sales copy on the actual sales page, going over the features and benefits, the whys, how it works, and why it's so beneficial for this prospect reading it, okay? You need to decide what is the best scenario, what's the best type of funnel for your product or service. And again, that's why I want you to comment below. The third thing you need to always make sure that you're doing here is harnessing those leads that you're collecting with names and emails. You need to be able to have a way of retargeting them. That's why we always have opt-in pages that ask for a name and email in exchange for this product, this gift, this information, etc. Because only about 3% on average of people that see your product are actually going to buy it, and 97 out of 100 won't. If we have their email, we can now get back in front of them, we can run ads to them, we can email market to them, etc. These are the fundamentals of creating a high converting sales funnel. Now, in a little bit, I'm going to share with you some of the best tools that you can use to actually create these sales funnels and what they look like. If you're loving this video so far, please make sure to smash that like button. And if you're brand new to the page and you want to be able to learn more about how to level up your sales, your marketing, and your business in general, make sure you subscribe, because that's all you're going to learn here on my channel. So back to the video. Sales funnel tools. I highly recommend ClickFunnels, which is a great tool for you to use for building sales funnels. It has really good user interface, it has great integrations, and it's pretty easy for you to learn. It also comes with its own email marketing software, and it's very cost effective. So that's a great tool to use. Once again, that's called ClickFunnels. Something else you're going to want to master is something like the Facebook ads platform or the Google platform or AdWords platform, so you actually get good at a traffic source. And a little tip, you don't have to have multiple traffic sources. Pick one: Facebook, Google, YouTube. I recommend Facebook for starters, and just get good at using that as an advertising platform. You do not need to have multiple traffic sources starting off. Now, before we end this video here, I want to actually show you an example of a live high converting sales funnel that we've actually created for one of our clients. So this is a financial advisor client of ours, and they sell what we would say is a very high ticket service. They deal with prospects that have investments of $500,000, $1 million, $2 million, maybe $5 million. And so we have ads that go out there that look like this, that are sending prospects through to a funnel that looks like this, that are inviting advisors to an appointment page that looks like this, where the advisor is then having the prospect fill out information about what their goals are in, say, retirement or creating tax-free income or something like that. And what our goal is to drive inbound appointments of prospects wanting to book a call with the advisor. And prospects might cost $200 to get on a call, and by the time an advisor has talked with 6 or 7 prospects, they close 1 out of 6 of them, for example. And usually it's much higher than that, but they might pay $1,200, maybe even a couple $1,000s to obtain a client. That's okay, because when the client is giving them $500,000 to invest, the advisor is making somewhere around $5,000 on that money. So it's profitable. If it costs $2,000 to get a client, that's worth $5,000 to you. You have a $3,000 profit. That now becomes a repeatable process, and that is a live funnel, a live ad, and a live process that is working for a lot of our clients that are in the financial space. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. In the next video regarding sales funnels, I'm gonna go down into the technical level and actually show you what the whole process looks like, A to Z, what all the KPIs are, and what the best funnel is gonna be for your application. We'll see you in the next video.